I always say projects like these are a marathon and not a sprint. The wall here in Wytheville is a very big wall, but we wanted a wall with a lot of impact. Someone called it a showstopper, and I think we have that here. As we designed this piece, we wanted something that people could engage with on a large scale. When you go big like this, it has a different type of impact with its audience. So when we designed it, we wanted to keep that in mind. Go big or go home. The initial idea was to create something that families and children could appreciate and at the same time could relate to it in their own way. You have a child and his dog here looking out over the sunset at the mountains in Wytheville. Just that alone is something people here can relate to. I've had so many people come up to me and tell me their thoughts about the boy and his dog. It's great to hear those stories and to get a little bit more from the community and to see how they engage with it. You know, murals like this are most alive when they're in the process of being created, and that's really exciting to me as an artist. A lot of people passed by and thought, why are they painting this wall? But what's great to see is that those same people who aren't quite so certain about it at first come back and become huge fans of the piece, the artistry behind it, the story that we're telling. Suddenly, the people that are coming by then have that sense of ownership and they can relate to it in their own way. The community has engaged with me so many times over the past week, and they've been able to come up and say, hey, this is Wytheville's mural. And that's really exciting to me to see that people have really embraced the overall artwork. As a former educator of 10 years, I had the opportunity to speak to the high school students here in Wytheville, which was really exciting for me personally. You know, building that trust and encouragement of public art across the Blue Ridge has been something I've been very passionate about over the past 5 years. Here in Wytheville, it's been really incredible for me to see people of all ages, you know, engage with the artwork, show their appreciation, and tell their own stories when seeing it. People driving down Main Street, you know, walking with their kids, walking their dog, get a huge surprise when they turn the corner or approach it. And these big, bold pops of color are really exciting to see. I think one of the main things that stood out to me during this project was the reception I got from the community here in Wytheville. Everybody was so kind and showed me so much hospitality.
I appreciate that.
Welcoming me into the community, engaging with me while I was painting. A lot of people don't understand just how large these cardinals and the entire image is until they see it in person. You know, the cardinals alone are about 12 feet in length. The cardinals bring the sense of energy and motion to the piece, which is really exciting as people interact with it walking down the street. I think one of the things I appreciate most as an artist, and in particular with this mural, are the little notes of character that I've added. The dog with his tongue out, that would have been easy not to put in there. It adds a sense of character, as well as the boy's hoodie, for example. Putting him in clothes that, you know, any child around here is going to go outside on a hike with their friends, their family, or in this circumstance, their dog. You know, adds those notes of character and personal touches that are special to the community. Here, the boy and his dog are out appreciating nature here in Wytheville, which is absolutely gorgeous. The mountain scenery, the panoramas, it matches the landscape perfectly. As an artist, I really want to engage with people when I'm painting. I think that it's important that people feel like this is a part of their home, and I think we really achieve that here in Wytheville. I'm John Murrill, and this is Wytheville's Mural.